Ever wondered why some people seem to achieve their fitness goals faster than others? It's all about the right strategies and consistency in implementing them. Today, we're diving into some practical and easy-to-follow fitness tips that can make all the difference in your journey towards a healthier and fitter you. First up, we're talking about setting achievable goals. Fitness isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Start with small, attainable targets and gradually work your way up. Remember, progress, no matter how small, is still progress. Next, consistency is key. It's better to work out for 30 minutes every day than to slog for 2 hours once a week. Your body responds better to regular exercise, and it's easier to form a habit that way. Tip number 3, mix it up. Doing the same workout day in and day out can get boring, and your body could hit a plateau. Keep things interesting and challenging by incorporating different types of exercises in your routine. Fourthly, hydration should be your best friend. Water aids in digestion, keeps your skin glowing, and most importantly, it helps in the recovery and growth of your muscles after a workout. Fifth on the list is eating right. It's easy to undo all your hard work with a poor diet. Aim for a balanced intake of proteins, carbs, and fats. And remember, it's not just about the quantity, but also the quality of your food. Last but not least, rest and recovery are just as important as working out. Your body needs time to heal and grow, so make sure you get enough sleep and take rest days in between intense workout sessions. To sum it up, setting achievable goals, staying consistent, mixing up your workouts, staying hydrated, eating right, and giving your body time to rest and recover are 6 easy-to-follow tips that can help you on your journey to fitness. Remember, it's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good and being healthy. The path might be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. So lace up those trainers, fuel up, and get started on the journey to a healthier, fitter you.